Hello friends, today I am going to show you how in MS Office Word file you can convert your data into table, but there is a limitation to convert data into table is the data should be separated by a specific thing. For example, either by tab using tabs or by using comma or by using anything else, but it should be separated with some identical symbols so that data you can convert into text. For example, let me show you if the data is separated by the tab. So how you can do it: select the data, go in here, insert option, select the table option. Here you have to select the third option, convert text to table. Click on it and it will automatically detect your data. Make it sure the data is separated by tab option is selected. Press OK, so the data will be converted into tab. Now I will show you how you can convert the data into table if it is separated by the comma. The same step, go in insert option, select tab option, go on the third option, select convert text into table. This time make it sure the comma option is selected. Click OK. Your data will be converted into table. Now if your data is separated by any other option, not by tab, not by comma, but by a semicolon, how can you convert your data into table? Select the data, go in here, insert option, select the table option, also select the third option, and now select the data should be separated by, select the other option, and here select the colon. When you press OK, you will see your data will be converted into table. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.